Do you want to record the screen on iPad without audio or with audio? Here's a quick tutorial to add a recording button to the control center and start recording with audio for gameplay, presentation, bugs, issues, streaming content, and more. I am Max. Let's jump into a quick video. Open the control center on the iPad from the top right corner and touch and hold to edit or tap on the plus button at the top. Now tap on Add a Control option at last in the control center. Here's a screen recording or search from search controls. Select the recording button and add it to the control center. We can adjust the recording button size by dragging it from the bottom right corner or placing it in the correct place. Now tap on Elsewhere to exit from edit mode. That's it. To start recording, open the control center, tap the recording button to start recording immediately. In the second option, Record with Audio, touch and hold the recording button and tap the microphone button to red. Tap on Start Recording, and that's it. Wait for the countdown from 3 to 1. And see the red recording button appear at the top right. To stop recording, tap the red button and select the stop option. Now, screen recording video is saved to Photos. Launch the Photos app and see the recorded screen. That's a quick tutorial on recording your iPad screen with audio for external or internal microphones. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.